Yeah, I just found out some shocking piece of news, evidence, things, and it like immediately stopped my sneeze, and I was very surprised. So apparently, if you like swallow your spit or something, like right before you're about to sneeze, then it completely like stops the sneeze. Cause like I had something in my mouth and I didn't want to sneeze before I like swallowed this. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna hold the sneeze back, swallow this real quick, and then I can sneeze. And I swallowed the water that was in my mouth, and like the sneeze just vanished.